Hi guys, definitely Mario here. We have a clear winner today. Our holding and carrying animation has won with 50% of all votes. That's amazing. So our creation order will be first starting with, I think tomorrow, maybe it would start on Monday. I'm not pretty sure of it. But we will start with the holding and carrying animations. Then we go to the RV system. And after that, we will implement our enemies in our game like the vote has decided, like you has decided. Yeah, thanks for your commitment, for your voting, and I hope you will like the next part. If you're missing something, don't be shy. Write in the comment. Tell me what you're missing. If you don't understand any part, write in the comment. And you have any suggestion, I imagine we are finished the holding and carrying animations, and I want to go to the RV system. But you think, Mario, we miss a part? I'm missing some animation. I'm missing something to hold or anything. Write it in the comments of the first video of the next part. So I now, oh, okay, I have to cover these topics up. Yeah. Um, I think this would be a very, very short video because we have tell everything. Oh, I can tell you which animation and holding system we will start. We will start with a proper holding and carrying animation for our cup, our coffee cup, and for our bottle. And if you in the series you have seen the bottle have a little bug. If you grab it, the bottle gets transparent. So the bottle is on the ground in yellow. You pick it up, it will be transparent. You place it back, it will be yellow again. So that is a bug we had to fix. After that, we will implement um, more items. We have something like scrap metal for the repair. We need something user consumable, like some beer bottles or something, some tuna you can eat and your health points will regenerate. And we will have some wooden plate, so you can get your RV over some terrain, but not easy to pass through. Yeah, so I think now you know you're more informed what will coming up in this part you vote for. Yes, so I hold again. We get the animation and hold for carrying and holding. We implement more items like scrap metal, like consumables, like wooden plates, like tires, like like Entschuldigung. I need to know the right word. It's like injections, so you can arise someone. Yeah. Now I think we had talked about nearly everything we will cover up in this part. I think that part would cover up something around 7 and 10 videos. I'm not sure. And in between this, and then we go to the next part. Yeah, now we really finish. Yeah, I hope I inform you right. If you're not on our Discord until now, I would love to see you there. And if you're not, subscribe me now. Maybe you won't know. Bye, guys.